How to apply for Bigo Live agency. Joining a Bigo Live agency can provide invaluable support, training, and exclusive opportunities for broadcasters. It's a key path to professional growth on the platform. Let's learn how to apply for a Bigo Live agency on your iPhone. First, research reputable Bigo Live agency that align with your content and goals. Many agencies have their own websites or social media presence with application instructions. Contact the agency directly via their provided email or application form. Provide your Bigo Live ID or link to your profile and a brief description of your content and aspirations. If interested, the agency will contact you for an interview to assess your potential and commitment. Be prepared to discuss your streaming goals and availability. Follow all the instructions for successful onboarding. Joining a Bigo Live agency can boost your streaming career. Choose wisely and good luck. Like and subscribe for more professional Bigo Live tips.